Imagine this, your heart is the engine that never stops. From your very first moment to your very last, it's beating, pulsing, working overtime. In your lifetime, that's over 3 billion heartbeats. No charging, no resting, no reboot button. That's 100,000 beats every day, just to keep you going. But here's the catch. Your heart can't even take a 4-minute break. If it stops, everything changes. Just 4 minutes without a heartbeat, and your brain cells, those little sparks that make you, they start to die. No oxygen-rich blood means your brain begins shutting down, fast. By minute 4, the damage might be permanent. That's why CPR is so powerful. If someone collapses and their heart stops, chest compressions can keep blood flowing, just enough to buy precious time for the brain. And if there's an AED nearby, that's an automated defibrillator, a quick jolt might just shock the heart back into rhythm. But the clock is ticking. Fast. Every second counts. So here's what I want you to remember. Your heart is the clock of life. 3 billion beats, never pausing, never stopping. But miss just 4 minutes, and everything can change forever. If you learned something powerful today, hit like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more. And tell me in the comments, do you know how to do CPR? You just might save a life.